Ever heard words like ICC Profile, Outgassing, or Substrate, and had absolutely no idea what they meant? You're not alone. Let's fix that. Term 1. Sublimation. This is the magic behind it all. Sublimation ink skips the liquid stage completely. It transforms from solid directly into gas and bonds inside the material itself. Not on top, inside. Term 2. Substrate. Your substrate is simply whatever you're printing on. A mug, a t-shirt, a phone case. But here's the catch. It must have a polymer coating for sublimation to work. Term 3. ICC Profile. Think of this as a color translation map. It tells your printer exactly how to reproduce colors for sublimation output. Without it, what looks great on your screen will look completely different on your product. Term 4. Color Gamut. This is the total range of colors your printer can actually produce. Sublimation has a wide gamut, meaning rich, vibrant results, but only when your settings are dialed in correctly. Term 5. Outgassing. This is what happens when moisture or trapped chemicals escape from your substrate during pressing. The result? A ruined print. Always pre-press your blanks to drive out moisture first. Terms 6 and 7. Bleeding and ghosting. Bleeding is when your die migrates beyond the design edge, giving blurry, fuzzy borders. Ghosting is when your transfer paper shifts mid-press, leaving a faint shadow image behind. Both are fixable with proper technique. Term 8. Polyester content. Here is your golden rule. Sublimation only bonds to polyester fibers. 100% polyester gives you the most vivid, durable results. Cotton? The ink simply won't hold. Term 9. GSM. Grams per square meter. This is fabric weight. A higher GSM means a heavier, more premium feel. For sublimation apparel, look for a minimum of around 180 GSM. Term 10. Dwell time. This is how long you hold the heat press down. Too short, and your colors come out faded. Too long, and you'll scorch your substrate. Every blank has a recommended dwell time. Follow it exactly. And that's 10 sublimation terms you now actually understand. Master these, and you're already thinking like a pro. Drop a comment with any term I missed, and subscribe for more sublimation tips every single week.